Share, and juicy grapes.
And welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today, and God bless you guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to be telling you guys about the best soda replacement drink ever. And it's not even like a soda, it's a sparkling water. Yeah, it's called sparkling ice. You guys, this is the best drink. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
That is the stress. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sweet.
It's so sweet. It is so sweet. So this is sparkling ice. So this is sparkling water. But it tastes like Chubbies. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, they taste like Chubbies. Everybody knows how much we used to love Chubbies, like, when we were growing up. If you used to have Chubbies, or if you still take Chubbies to school, I don't know if you just drink them on the regular, which I don't think you should because they're full of sugar. But if you remember Chubbies, then you would remember how good they taste. And this tastes so good. So I have 4 flavors here for you guys, but there's a lot more flavors. I'm missing one of my absolutely favorite flavors, but they didn't have it at the store, so I didn't get to use it. But I do have 4 flavors here for you guys. We'll be telling you guys how they taste. I've tasted this one, but I have not tasted this one, and I haven't tasted this one. But I have tasted this one. This is cherry. Yeah, so I'll get into the flavors more and all that jazz. But I'm going to tell you guys the nutrients facts for these drinks, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, you guys, this is 0 everything. Like, it is 0 everything. 0 sugar, 0 everything except for salt. Salt has 10. There's 10 mg salt. 0 across the board. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But just 10 mg of sodium. So that's what makes this so good. It's literally 0 everything, you know? And yeah, oh, I love it. It says 0 calorie at the bottom too. At the bottom it says 0 calorie. The flavors that we have is orange mango.
And green.
Yeah, we have green, which is kiwi strawberry.
We have green soft girls, Jansopania.
We have black raspberry. And we have cherry, what's it? And we have cherry lemonade.
Cherry marmalade.
Yeah, cherry lemonade. So those are the 4 flavors. We're going to try the cherry lemonade first. Are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, this legit smells like medicine. Smell it.
Medicine.
Smells like medicine?
Yeah, medicine.
Yeah, it smells like medicine. It smells, I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it just smells like cherry, like medicine. Maybe because medicine is always in cherry flavor. You want to go first or should I go first?
Yeah, okay, good.
You want to go first? Okay. Taste it.
That's not good.
That's not good? Okay, hold on, let me try. It's sour. I mean, it's lemonade, right? Lemonade, cherry. Oh, this is not my favorite. Like, this cherry sparkling ice is definitely not my favorite. No. So let's try this one now.
Yeah.
Ready to try this one?
Yeah.
So this one is kiwi and strawberry.
I can try it.
I already know what this tastes like because this is my favorite one out of all of them. This is my favorite one.
That's my
But nobody's never tasted this though.
It smells good.
Okay. Oh. Okay, go. Drink up. Did you like it? You do, right?
I like it. It smells like good.
You want more?
Yeah, I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Oh my gosh, this one is so good, you guys. And they're not even like overly sweet where it's like, oh my gosh, it's so sweet, but they are sweet. I don't know how this is zero everything. It legit tastes like soda, so I don't know how this is zero everything. If you are on your weight loss journey and you're like, yo, honestly, I can't get rid of, like, I can't give up soda, I can't give up like juice or soda, I highly recommend for you to try this, because this will cut your cravings down a bunch. And it's zero everything. It's 0 calories. It just has 10 mg in sodium, but it's zero everything, 0 in sugar, 0 in everything. So if you really need something to like replace the soda, then try this. Like, this will save your life, man. Honestly, like, this is my favorite flavor. My favorite flavor is, I think it's the coconut. It's the coconut one. I think it's called coconut. That's like my favorite one, the coconut one, but I couldn't find it. But that one tastes legit like Chubbies, okay? Like, oh, the coconut one is the best one, but this is like definitely like second up. Like, the coconut's like here, and like the strawberries like right here. Like, that's how close they are for me. So yeah, coconut's my favorite one. So if you ever see these, try the coconut one. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And if you see these ones, grab this one, because this one's really good too. But yeah, okay, so next flavor we're gonna try is the black raspberry.
Yeah, black raspberry.
Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Like, raspberry.
Oh. Man,
I know.
you like splash.
It like splashed a little bit.
It smells
It
like
doesn't really have a smell.
it smells like good.
It smells like nothing.
Actually, yeah.
What? Okay, anyways, you want to go first or should I go first?
I want to go first.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it too.
Okay, let me see. Mmm. This one does taste good. Try some more. This one tastes like cotton candy, which is really weird because it's black raspberry. What? This tastes like cotton candy. This tastes good. If you don't like cotton candy, you're not gonna like it. But if you like cotton candy, it tastes like cotton candy, but with just like raspberry flavor, like a raspberry flavored cotton candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, she likes this one. This one is actually so good. I did not think it was gonna be this good. And we're drinking them warm, you guys. So we're not even like getting any. They're not getting any points for like chill. Like, we're not drinking them cold. We're drinking them warm. So we're telling you guys exactly what we think they taste like. This is bomb.
This is really candy.
It tastes like candy.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, this one's really good. So the raspberry one is like right underneath the strawberry kiwi. Like, that's actually so good. Hold on, no, I'll give you some more after, okay? I'll give you more after, okay? Okay? So the last one we're gonna try is the orange mango. Orange mango, right?
Yeah, orange mango.
Okay, let's see what this tastes like.
It's like lemon.
I don't smell lemon. I smell oranges.
Oh my god.
Is it bad?
It's a salty.
It's salty?
Yeah.
It's bad. It doesn't taste good.
Yeah,
It's gross?
Yeah, it's salty.
It's salty. Okay, she doesn't like this one. It's not salty.
Oh my god. You like so laughing. Laughing so hard.
No, but did you see your face? That's why I was spit my juice out. I want to spit this out. Her face was so funny. Did you see her face? Oh my gosh, but this tastes like watered down juice. Like this tastes like there's only a little bit left of the what do you call it? Like the powder of like Kool-Aid. You know, like an orange Kool-Aid. It tastes like there was a little bit left, and somebody really wanted to make juice and they put it in the jug and then just poured a bunch of sugar in there, and it tastes like watered down like orange. Like that's what it tastes like. They should have infused the orange and the mango. Do you like it? You keep going back for it. Do you like it? Okay, so I guess she likes saltiness though, but for me it's a no. This one tastes way better than the cherry lemonade. So this is better than the cherry lemonade. Oops, sorry.
Choose this one. Choose this one.
Yeah, she loves the candy one, the one that tastes like candy. So the black raspberry. This one is really good. The strawberry kiwi, that one's really bomb. And then this one comes like right after the strawberry kiwi. So if we had to like rate them, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So yeah, guys, that is it for the video. Do you want to say anything about the drinks? Do you want to give like your feedback, like what you think about the drinks? Like, do you want to say anything about them?
I don't know.
She doesn't know what she wants to say about them. I love them. Some flavors more than others. But if you are, what are you doing? But if you're looking for like something to like crave your like soda cravings or like juice cravings, I definitely recommend that. And if you don't like soda and you like juice and you're like, oh, but I don't like soda, Janelle, what about juice? Like, do you have any like things for juice? All you have to do is just shake this up. Shake it up and leave it in your fridge. Leave it in your fridge and shake it up. Shake it up and wait till it goes down and open it. Shake it up again. Like if you shake out all the fizz, it'll basically be juice. And then you could just like make it cold and then drink it as juice. But yeah, I like, you know, the fizz to it, so I don't mind. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. I hope this is very informative.
Hey.
You like videos like these with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Girl, wait. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Go like this, thumbs up. Girl, you are so feisty. Go like this. Hey, don't tell people to thumbs up my video. You're crazy. What's wrong with you, girl? You're so feisty. No, don't thumbs down my video. Thumbs it up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one, God's willing. Say bye. I don't understand what you're saying.
I said,
What is that? Speak English!